The Pagani Huayra R.
It's all about humanity.
The rise of Pagani has been nothing short of astounding, and the exclusive automobile manufacturer has been able to carve out its own space in the market for luxury hypercars. Pagani has unveiled the Pagani Huayra R, the most recent Pagani model to be revealed to the public. The R denotes racing, and this model blends a beautiful V12 engine with a very light model and excellent aerodynamic efficiency. Although it is almost a whole new vehicle, it has more physical and mechanical common with the Zonda R than with any Pagani model. So what other features does this car offer, and how much does it cost? Even after 10 years after its introduction to the market, the Pagani Huayra is still considered an icon in the hypercar market. Pagani introduced the Huayra R, an addition that founder Horacio Pagani characterizes as the freest, most extreme, and performance-oriented Pagani of all time. Exterior. The Huayra is a gorgeous and exclusive supercar. The Huayra R's body is unique but odd. The monocoque of the Huayra R is the result of years of development to guarantee its occupants engagement and a driving experience unique to the car. This was done to ensure the Huayra R could compete with other high-end racing cars. The new monocoque was manufactured using Atelier's most cutting-edge composite technologies, such as carbon titanium HP62G2 and carbon triax HP62. The front frames, composed of chrome molybdenum alloy steel, are fine-tuned specifically for the Huayra R. In conjunction with the engine unit, the rear frame creates an integrated structure with the monocoque, which helps maximize the chassis' mechanical qualities. The dual deep aero channels that start just beyond the A-pillars and extend flat along the top of the body all the way down to the adjustable wings that flank the distinctive ringed quad exhaust pipes are particularly intriguing. The Huayra R has been updated with new side air intakes, vents located over the wheel arches, and a redesigned top scoop with a central fin. According to Pagani, the R generates 2,200 pounds of downforce at 199 miles per hour thanks to its aggressive aerodynamics. Compared to the road-going Huayra, the torsional rigidity of the newer model has grown by 16%, while the flexural rigidity has increased by 51%. The Huayra R utilizes an independent double wishbone design for its suspension system. This design was developed specifically for this model, and to reduce the amount of weight added by the suspension, forged aluminum alloy was employed. The Huayra R's suspension ensures that it reacts appropriately in all conditions, allowing for ideal balance when entering and exiting bends and optimum braking stability. The new automobile tips the scales at a dry weight of 1,050 kilograms due to the combination of innovative structural concepts and materials specifically created for the Huayra R design. It is built to achieve the lowest possible curb weight like a race car. It appears as though the Huayra was designed specifically to dominate the racetrack. The latest iteration of the Huayra is slated to be the model that completes the production run. Interior design. Every aspect of the interior of the Huayra R has been crafted to provide the driver with an experience that is pure in terms of its excitement, rawness, and directness. All of the materials are either metal, aluminum or titanium, leather, or carbon fiber. The primary material used for the inside is animal hide, while aluminum is used for auxiliary components, such as the buttons used for climate control and the instrument binocle. On the steering wheel, which has a rapid release and is height and length adjustable, you can immediately access all the vital controls, including selecting the ABS map, radio communication, and other important functions. The necessary information for the driver to monitor the car's status is displayed on a high-quality motorsport dashboard display that is entirely customizable. Because of the painstaking attention to detail that went into designing each screw, lever, and surface of the Huayra R, it is impossible for this vehicle not to leave an impression. Its incredible concentration of speed-focused technology creates an ideal driving environment that can be personalized for each driver. The adjustable pedal set has been specially crafted in collaboration with AP Racing and created specifically for the Huayra R. This was done to precisely complement the ergonomics of the driver's seat. Additionally, the adjustable pedal set embraces the ideas of lightness and style that are at the core of this vehicle. Technology. Building sophisticated automobiles that are packed with technology and innovative solutions requires not only smart minds but also genuine artists. To construct the Pagani Huayra R, it was necessary to do extensive research and study to balance the highest levels of technological achievement and performance and the most exquisite levels of elegance. This car was developed with the initial target of 1,000 kilograms of downforce at 320 kilometers per hour and a ground clearance that allows maximum aerodynamic performance. This ensures that the vehicle will always behave safely and predictably regardless of the environment in which it operates. Two new side air intakes at the front of the car contribute to the car's reliable performance by ensuring maximum cooling for the front wheel braking system and routing the outgoing airflow towards the side of the car. The engine. The Huayra R is an engineering marvel packed with new technology to achieve maximum performance. Because there was no production model that the project was built on, the development targets for each component were able to be significantly increased. This required the San Cesario Sul-Panaro team to overcome various technological obstacles. First and foremost, the team had to create the most potent internal combustion engine ever, one that uses naturally aspirated air to fuel the combustion process. It took the engineers more than 2.5 years to create and construct the powerful Pagani V12R. It weighed a total of 198 kilograms, which placed it at the top of its category. The new powertrain is fitted with the most up-to-date technology derived from the world of racing. It can produce 850 horsepower at 8,250 RPM and 750 Newton-meters of torque, which is already available from 5,500 to 8,300 RPM. A 6-speed sequential gearbox is responsible for transferring all of that torque to the vehicle's rear axle. New intakes were introduced on the front bonnet to improve air extraction speed and produce more stability at the front of the vehicle. This was done to ensure the powerful engine was cooled adequately, which needed constant work on the radiator and the internal fluid dynamics. The airflow can be channeled to the rear aerodynamic appendages in an even more efficient manner thanks to the new intakes. The Brembo racing brakes with self-ventilated carbon ceramic discs and a performance exhaust system contribute to the vehicle's exceptional performance on the track. Pagani Automobile and Brembo have had a working partnership for a very long time. The primary aim of this partnership has always been to provide the Pagani Hypercars with cutting-edge brake systems to guarantee maximum performance, lightness, and safety. Safety. The convenience and performance of a sports car only have value when they have the highest possible level of protection. It was essential to the development of the Huayra R that careful design and thorough research be conducted on the materials, bodywork, and roll bar structure. This was done to provide customers with the most exhilarating experience possible when driving and a safe vehicle that satisfies the most stringent FIA requirement for GT vehicles. The heavy-duty safety cage integrated into the core monocoque features special absorption structures at the front, sides, and rear of the car, specifically designed to absorb energy in the case of an impact or rollover. These structures are created from composite materials. In the event that there is a fire in the passenger compartment, the extinguishing system will activate on its own. The seats have 6-point safety belts and a covering made of flame-retardant materials called Nomex. The specially designed cushioning on the seats allows for an ideal driving position by flawlessly conforming to the contours of the occupants' bodies. Additionally, dedicated lateral protection is integrated into the headrests, ensuring comfortability. Cost. The Huayra BC Roadster has an MSRP greater than $3 million. Depending on the customer's preferences, that price can go up to and even beyond $4 million. One of the reasons for the high price tag is that the vehicle is constructed from carbotanium, which refers to carbon fiber that has been weaved together with titanium. The carbenium, which the company claims are around 20% stiffer, is also about 5 times as expensive as conventional carbon fiber. Verdict. Pagani has paid meticulous attention to every facet of the design process to produce a race car that is superior to the magnificent Huayra in some way. The models produced by the Italian business are not likely to be utilized regularly, but at least they are street legal and may be driven on public roads. The Huayra R is a true work of automotive art. It is a hypercar that appears too stunning to be driven around like any other car. Finding anything comparable to the Huayra R is difficult because production was restricted to just 30 cars. Koenigsegg and Bugatti have the same sense of mystery around their own tremendously powerful hypercars, yet the Huayra R still stands out as truly remarkable. That's all from this vehicle. What do you think of Pagani's? See you in the next one.